BMW reviving one of motorcycling's most iconic names? The 2026 R100 brings back the legendary boxer spirit, but with a thoroughly modern twist. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today we're exploring the all-new 2026 BMW R100, a machine that celebrates heritage while embracing everything riders expect today. Let's break it down. Design. Design-wise, BMW nailed the brief. The R100 showcases the unmistakable boxer silhouette with exposed cylinder heads proudly on display. Classic round headlight housing, minimalist bodywork, and tasteful chrome accents create timeless appeal. Yet modern touches like LED integration keep it current. Fit and finish reflect BMW's premium craftsmanship throughout. Performance. Under the tank sits a refined 1000cc air-oil-cooled boxer twin producing around 85 horsepower. The power delivery feels smooth and tractable across the rev range. This engine loves cruising but responds eagerly when pushed. Suspension and handling feel balanced, offering confidence through corners while absorbing rough roads comfortably. Features and technology. Technology blends seamlessly with tradition here. A circular TFT display maintains classic aesthetics while providing modern connectivity. Multiple riding modes, cruise control, and refined ABS come standard. Keyless ignition and quick shift capability add convenience without compromising authenticity. Conclusion. The 2026 BMW R100 successfully bridges past and present. It's emotional, refined, and unmistakably BMW, perfect for riders seeking character with modern capability. What do you think about BMW's heritage revival? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, share with fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more motorcycle content. See you next time.